Good evening, Kabarok. This is Pochot Barok with me, my family. Yan, this is karaoke fun. Welcome guys. Who's singing? Sinong kakanta?
Kuya Vince.
Kuya
Oh,
Vince.
kanta na. Para masaya.
Sound check.
Okay guys. Vince, we're gonna be singing. Dito ba palabas?
Where's the disco?
Ayan, may disco light pa.
Baba pinakadulo.
Ay, kaganda din tayo.
Sound check. Praise. Sound check.
Yung isang mic, Vince, ang gamitin mo.
Sound check. Praise.
Ano ba?
Tatlo yung mic dyan. Yung mahaba na...
Yeah, ito yung mahaba. Praise. Sound check. Praise.
Bakit iba yung...
Praise.
Praise talaga. Tapos kakanta.
Sound check.
You do
Sound
duo.
check.
You do duo.
Bluetooth mode.
Only one microphone.
Hindi ba ba?
Saan? Yan yung gamit ni ano,
Yung gamit ko.
yung gamit ni Vince.
Gamit ko yung gamit ko. Ito na lang. Play. Ano pa
Play
ni
with
Digan?
song.
Para kanina pa nakita niyo yung Martin.
Pakita ka sa camera, Vince. Jules, you move a little bit, Jules.
Bigyan your head. News. Head. Hindi makita si Kuya Vince.
Sound check.
Make it with you, Ben. Kaka-Ben mo lang eh.
Okay guys, that's Vince in the house pala, in the car. In the car for karaoke fun.
Car, are you okay? Car, are you okay?
Just PM me guys kung gusto nyo mag-karaoke dito sa sasakyan. 20 dirhams per hour.
Send your lineup.
So we can download. Hey, quiet, someone singing.
But baby, dreams that
Ayan ba yung mga kinakanta? Ng mga Ben and Ben?
And if you're wondering what this
Mas magaganda pa yung mga ano.
is to,
Ganyan kanta.
I'm gonna make it with you. I really think that we could make it through. No, you don't hold me back. And every little thing only time will tell. And you believe the things that I do,
Kirby.
and we see it through. Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I choose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it through.
Next song is, sino kakanta? Nandito ako daw, nandito ako. Naya, you sit in the middle so we can see you in the camera.
Sino sa kumanta na nandito?
Yung lalaki? Sit down properly now. Naya, sit down in the middle. See, say hi to camera. Hi guys, hi Kapochot Barok. Where's your microphone?
Saan yun?
Tsaka katang acoustic ka.
Yun. Yung kay ano?
Okay.
Rob Cairo.
Anaya is in the car for karaoke fun.
Naka-live yan?
Recording.
Tapos kinakat mo na lang.
Come on guys! Woo! Anaya! You know how to read Tagalog? Okay. Louder now. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na akong naghihintay. Mayroon ka ng ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit ganoon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Everybody sing! Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Ako yung iibigin. Di kailangan ng manghamba. Kat ako ay para mong alipin. Sa'yo lang wala nang iba.
Ako.
Ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit ganoon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Nandito ako. Umiibig
Solo niya.
Oh, it's Kuya Kimel's turn muna, one by one. Kuya Kimel. Yes. No, and then Ate Julia, and then you again. Everyone should sing. Oh, now it's Kuya Kimel. Let Kuya Kimel sit in the middle. You move on the side now. Let Kuya Kimel be in the camera.
Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo.
Kuya.
Kahit na
Wow. Oh, let Kuya Kimel.
sakali.
Kuya Kimel is in the car for karaoke fun. Karaoke.
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 Padayti na lang.
Oh, bagay sa'yo.
What is that?
Bagay sa boses.
You're the moon that glows in the sky, lighting up the world when it's blue. Stars they dance so late in the night. Don't you know they dances for you? You know that, no? Always sing that. There you are, above darkest clouds, smiling at the world from afar. With the stars, you will
Yan na ba lang ating may muntay yapon mo naman?
Here I am, the others singing songs that
Yes,
I
like yan.
Recording siyempre,
trying to find
microphone.
the voice that God is so oh, you got me in the daze, yeah. No, it's not another phase. You gave me one day, now I can't get my mind off of you. And it's all because I see the galaxies when I look in your eyes, and I can't speak, no, I can't speak at all. I swear this is your Aphrodite in disguise. Don't think that you can hide it from me. Oh no, I never thought I'd get this close to something so divine. No, I can't breathe, no, I can't breathe at all. It's Aphrodite, could you please be mine? Oh, could you please be mine? Oh, mine. Yeah, you know it, right? Please be mine. Oh,
Superman.
Superman, you know Superman? You don't? You really know that?
I can't stand to fly.
Lead me, Lord. Nagdagdag ka ng ano?
Who's next?
Four of spades. O sige, send ka ano sa akin? Send ka ng auto.
Taka na, Diyos. No, it's a nice thing again.
Ano
Si
kakantayin
Ate
mo?
Julia muna nak.
Kakantayin mo, Jules? 4K?
Hello, no.
Okay na, kaya makanta na siya.
A reading in Manila.
Maybe this time.
On the wings of love.
On the wings of love?
Palagi.
Palagi.
How can we go back
There's no
to
way I can feel
being
the love
friends? And we just
Amulto. Hindi na.
Makalaya.
Yun na lang.
Hindi na ba't multo? Paparelapse mo ko.
Okay, last song. Last song for the video.
We have to all sing this.
There's 3 microphones there.
There's another mic.
I'll sing the chorus. You sing the I'll sing the
Malapit na.
ang tono.
Kaya nga eh.
Daliwa-liwa kami ito.
Ano? Somber. Somber.
Pasensya na guys, hindi makuha yung tono. Yung last song, sakit sa ulo.
Agad na guys.
What's that?
Palagi,
Oh my gosh, yes, it is.
we have palagi.
Cause the feeling makes me weak. Thinking of the covers, I see the ceiling while you're looking at me. How can we go back to being friends when we just share a bed? How can we go at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? It was last December. You were laying on my chest. I still remember. I was scared to take a breath. Didn't want to move you. How can we go back to being friends when we just share a bed? Yeah. How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? You so I'm holding on to tight while you let go. There's a sky. That's right. Back to being friends and we can share a bed. How can you at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? How can we go back to being friends when we can share a bed?
Okay guys, bye-bye.
Thank you, Dave.
Say bye-bye to my vlog.
Bye!
Bye-bye Kabarok, good night. Till next time.
Ko yung gamit.